Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will discuss about the solutions of NCERT exercise 2.2. In last video we will discuss about the zeros of a polynomial. What is a zero of a polynomial and how to find the zeros of a polynomial. Now we will do questions based on the last video. So your first question is, our question number first is, find the value of polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x is equal to 0. So we have to find the value of this polynomial 5x plus minus 4x plus 3 when the x is 0. So what we will do, we will just put the value of x in this polynomial. So put x is equal to 0 in given polynomial. So when we put the value of x in this polynomial, it will implies 5 into 0 minus 4 into 0 square plus 3. 5 into 0 is 0 minus 4 into 0 plus 3, that equal to 0 minus 0 plus 3. So answer will be 3. So the value of this polynomial at x equals to 0 is 3. Likewise the second part is, second part is x is equal to minus 1. So second part is x is equal to minus 1. So on putting x is equal to minus 1 in the given polynomial, we will get the value 5 minus 1 minus 4 into minus 1 square plus 3. So it will be equal to 5 into minus 1, that is minus 5, minus 4, minus 1 ka square, that is 1 plus 3. So this is equal to minus 5 minus 4 plus 3. So minus 5 plus minus 4, minus 5 and minus 4 gives minus 9 plus 3, that is equals to minus 6. So minus 6 is the answer at x is equal to minus 1. And the third part is x is equal to 2. So we will put x is equal to 2 in the given polynomial, that is 5x minus 4x square plus 3. So it will be 5 into 2 minus 4 into 2 square plus 3. 5 into 2, 10. 2 square is 4. 4 into 4 minus 16 plus 3. So it is will be equal to minus 3. So the solution of this polynomial, the value of this polynomial as x equal to 2 is minus 3. So now question number second. Now question number second is, find P0, P1 and P2 for each of the following polynomials. The first part is Py is equal to y square minus y plus 1. So we have to find when y will be 0, what is the value of this polynomial, when y is 1 and y is 2. So first we will put y is equal to 1. At y is equal to 0, P0 will be equal to 0 square minus 0 plus 1. So P0 will be equal to 0 minus 0, 0 plus 1, that is 1. Then at y is equal to 1, P1 is equal to 1 square minus 1 plus 1. So it is equal to 1 minus 1 plus 1. So answer will be 1. And at last at y is equal to 2. So P2 will be equal to 2 square minus 2 plus 1, that is equal to 4 minus 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is, that is 3. So at y is equal to 2, the value of this polynomial y square minus y plus 1 is 3. Likewise, same. So second part, that is Pt is equal to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. So first at t is equal to 0, P0 will be equal to 2 plus 0 plus 2 into 0 square minus 0 cube. So it is equal to 2 plus 0 plus 0 minus 0. So answer will be 2. Now at P1, it is equal to 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 square minus 1 cube. So it is equal to 2 plus 1, that is 3, plus 2 into 1 square, that is 2, minus 1. So it will be equals to 4. So it will be equal to 4. Now by putting at t is equal to 2, at t is equal to 2, and this is at t is equal to 1. So at t is equal to 2, P2 is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2 into 2 square minus 2 cube. So it is equal to 2 plus 2, that is 4, plus 2 into 4, 8 minus 8. So answer will be 4. So we are noticing that at t is equal to 1 and t is equal to 2, the answer will be 4. So maybe the answer will be same at two different values. So now part third. Now part third. Please don't write parallelly. जब मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ आप स्क्रीन पे देखिएगा, जब मैं पढ़ा दूँ उसके बाद पॉज करके आप नोट कर लीजिएगा, पर जब मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ तो सिर्फ और सिर्फ समझिएगा. और अगर आपको सब कुछ समझ आ रहा है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं आ रही है, तो आप प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिएगा ताकि आपको और वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिल सके. बेल आइकन क्लिक करिएगा और मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट्स तक मेरा लिंक पहुंचाइएगा चैनल का, सो मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट इसका बेनिफिट ले सके. तो नाउ द पार्ट थर्ड इज px is equal to x cube. So first at x is equal to 0, p0 will be equal to 0 cube, that is 0. At x is equal to 1, p1 is equal to 1 cube, that is 1. And at x is equal to 2, p2 is equal to 2 cube, that is equal to 8. So these are the values at x is equal to p0, p1 and p2. Now part third. Part fourth. Px is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1. So at x is equal to 0, it will be p0 is equal to 0 minus 1 into 0 plus 1. So it is minus 1 into 1, answer will be minus 1. At x is equal to 1, so p1 is equal to 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 0 into 2, दैट इज इक्वल टू 0। आपको बस क्या करना है, यहाँ पर जो वैल्यू दे देगा, जिस वेरिएबल की आपको वैल्यू दे देगा, उस वेरिएबल की जगह वो वैल्यू पुट करनी है और पॉलिनोमियल की क्या आ जाएगी, वैल्यू आ जाएगी। तो एट x इज इक्वल टू 2, अब हम x 2 पे निकालेंगे तो p2 क्या आ जाएगा बेटा, p2 is equal to 2 minus 1 into 2 plus 1, so it is 1 into 3, so answer will be 3. So this is the solution of question number 2. Now question number 3. So now question number 3, verify whether the following number are the zeros of the polynomial इंडिकेटेड अगेंस्ट मैम। जो उनके साथ में वैल्यूज दी हुई हैं गिवन पॉलिनोमियल्स के, वो उसके सॉल्यूशन है या नहीं। तो देखिएगा फर्स्ट पार्ट इज px इज इक्वल टू 3x प्लस 1 एंड वैल्यू क्या दी हुई है, x इज इक्वल टू -1 डिवाइड बाय 3। सो इन दिस व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव पुट दिस वैल्यू in the given polynomial. If the answer comes 0, then yes, it is the solution, yeah, it is the 0. Or if answer will not be 0, so we will say it is not a solution. So on putting x is equal to -1 divided by 3, we get 3 into -1 divided by 3 plus 1. So 3 is cancelled out by 3. So it will be equal to -1 plus 1, that is equal to 0. So the answer will be 0. Yes, it is a yes. X is equal to -1 divided by 3 is a solution of px is equal to 3x plus 1. Similarly, second part, px is equal to 5x minus pi at x is equal to 4 divided by 5. So now we will put x is equal to 4 divided by 5. So it will be 5 into 4 divided by 5 minus pi. 5 is cancelled out by 5. It will be 4 minus pi. That is not equals to 0. जो 0 के इक्वल नहीं है. So x is equal to 4 divided by 5 is not a solution. Is not a solution of 5x minus pi. So now third part is px is equal to x square minus 1. Px is equal to x square minus 1, that is x is equal to 1 or minus 1. So now here two values are given, one is 1 and the other one is minus 1. तो हम पहले एक वैल्यू को पुट करके आंसर निकालेंगे, फिर दूसरे वैल्यू को पुट करके आंसर निकालेंगे. सो p1 is equal to 1 square minus 1, that is equal to 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. So yes, x is equal to 1 is a solution of x square minus 1. Now we will put minus 1. So it is minus 1 square minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 1. It is also equal to 0. So yes. So we will write yes, x is equal to minus 1 is also a solution of x square minus 1. Now similarly fourth part, px is equal to x plus 1 and into x minus 2, and we have to find the value at x is equal to minus 1 and 2. So first we will find at minus 1 and then we will find at 2. So at minus 1 it will be minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 minus 2. So it is equal to 0 into minus 3, that is equal to 0. So what will we write? Yes, x is equal to minus 1 is a solution of x minus 1, x plus 1 into x minus 2. Similarly, we will solve it by putting value 2. So at 2, it will be equal to 2 plus 1 into 2 minus 2. So that implies 3 into 0, it is also equals to 0. So we will write that x is equal to 2 is also solution of x plus 1 into x minus 2. Now फिफ्थ पार्ट पॉज कर लीजिएगा, नोट करना हो तो. नाउ फिफ्थ पार्ट, प्लीज वीडियो को शेयर करिएगा. तो फिफ्थ पार्ट देखिएगा, पी एक्स इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वेयर and the value is x is equal to 0. So p0 will be equal to 0 square, that is equal to 0. लिखेंगे क्या? Yes, x is equal to 0 is a solution of px is equal to x square. Now sixth part, px is equal to lx plus m. So x is equal to, at x equals to minus m divided by l. So what we will put, x is equal to m minus l को हम इसके जगह x की जगह पुट करेंगे. तो क्या आ जाएगा? p minus m l divided by l is equal to l into minus m divided by l plus m. So l is cut by l. So it will be minus m plus m, that is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus m divided by l is a solution of px is equal to lx plus m. Now the next part. Seventh part is px is equal to 3x square minus 1. मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट को इस पार्ट में दिक्कत होती है. तो देखिएगा, आपको घबराना नहीं है. रूट को देख के आपने बस अपना बेसिक्स कॉन्सेप्ट जो हमने सीखे हैं वही लगाने हैं कि हमने ये वैल्यू इसमें पुट करनी है, बेसिक कैलकुलेशन करनी है. अगर जीरो आ जाए तो यस इट इज़ ए सोल्यूशन, अगर जीरो ना आए तो इट इज़ नॉट ए सोल्यूशन. तो हम पहले पुट करते हैं माइनस 1 डिवाइड बाय रूट 3. सो इट इज़ इक्वल टू 3 इंटू minus 1 divided by root 3 square minus 1. So on squaring we will get 3 into minus 1 square is 1, root 3 square is 3 minus 1. 3 to 3 cancel, that is equal to 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So yes, x is equal to minus 1 divided by root 3 is a solution of 3x square minus 1. Similarly, on putting 2 divided by root 3, we will get 3 into 2 divided by root 3 square minus 1. So on squaring we will get 3 into 4 divided by 3 minus 1. 3 to 3 cancel, 4 minus 1 is 3, that is not equals to 0. So x is equal to 2 root 3 is not a solution of 3x square minus 1. So last part of this question, 8th part, पॉज कर लीजिएगा बेटा अगर आपने नोट करना है. तो लास्ट पार्ट है 8th part is px is equal to 2x plus 1. So the value is given, x is equal to 1 divided by 2. So on putting 1 divided by 2 in place of x, we will get 2 into 1 divided by 2 plus 1. So 2 is cancelled by 2. That implies 1 plus 1. That is equal to 2 and not equals to 0. So it is not a solution. So x is equal to 1 divided by 2 is not a solution of px is equal to 2x plus 1. So now next question, question number 4. Now the last question of this exercise, question number 4 is find the zero of the polynomial in each of the following cases. We have to find the zeros of the polynomial in each of the following cases. The first part is px is equal to x plus 5. Whenever we have to find the zero, we will put px is equal to 0. Whenever we have to find the zero, we will put px is equal to 0. So here in this question we will put px is equal to 0 in each case, and then we will find the value of x. At that value of x, the polynomial is 0. So it is the 0 of the polynomial. So in first case we will put x plus 5 is equal to 0. सो ऑन ट्रांसपोजिंग मतलब प्लस 5 को इस तरफ लेकर आएंगे तो वो हो जाएगा माइनस 5. तो x इज इक्वल टू माइनस 5. सो x इज इक्वल टू माइनस 5 इज द x इज इक्वल टू माइनस 5 इज solution of px is equal to x plus 5. Now part second part, px is equal to x minus 5. So on putting value x minus 5 is equal to 0. माइनस 5 उधर जाके हो जाएगा प्लस 5. तो x is equal to 5. So here x is equal to 5 is the solution. So x is equal to 5 is a zero of px is equal to x minus 5. Similarly, now some more parts. Part number third part, px is equal to 2x plus 5. So we will put 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. So first 5 will be moved to minus 5 and 2 is in multiply, so it will move to divide. So x is equal to minus 5 divided by 2. So x is equal to minus 5 divided by 2 is the solution of px is equal to 2x plus 5. Now fourth part, that is px is equal to 3x minus 2. So we will put the values, no, we will put 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So minus 2 उधर जाके हो जाएगा प्लस 2. वेरी गुड. एंड 3 मल्टीप्लाई में तो इधर आके क्या हो जाएगा डिवाइड, दैट इज 2 डिवाइड बाय 3. सो x is equal to 2 divided by 3 is the solution of is the 0 is the 0 of px is equal to 3x minus 2. Now fifth part is px is equal to 3x. So on putting 0, 3x is equal to 0, we will get x is equal to 0. So in this case, x is equal to 0 is the 0 of px is equal to 3x. Now sixth part is px is equal to ax एंड यहाँ लिखा है a will never equals to 0, तो a कभी भी 0 नहीं होगा. अगर a 0 हो जाएगा तो ये पूरा पोलिनोमियल ही 0 हो जाएगा. तो हम क्या करेंगे, ax को 0 पुट करेंगे तो ये क्या हो गया, x is equal to 0 डिवाइड बाई. That's why a will never equals to 0. अगर ये 0 हो जाएगा तो 0 डिवाइड बाई 0 दिक्कत आएगी. तो x is equal to 0. So here also x is equal to 0 is the 0 of px is equal to ax. Now last part, seventh part is px is equal to cx plus d, where c will not equals to 0, c कभी भी 0 नहीं होगा और c and d are रियल नंबर. सो ये बेटा कन्फ्यूज़न के लिए होता है, इस पर ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं देना, बस ये देखना है कि सी और डी क्या है, रियल नंबर में. इसका मतलब ये ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं देना इस पर. तो इसका सोल्यूशन निकालेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, सी एक्स प्लस डी इज इक्वल टू 0. सो एक्स विल बी इक्वल टू माइनस डी डिवाइड बाई सी. सो एक्स इज इक्वल टू माइनस डी डिवाइड बाई सी इज द 0 of px is equal to cx plus d. So this is our exercise 2.2. If you have any doubt, ask in comment section. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up, comment it, subscribe my channel and share to your friends, relatives and your cousins so that they also get benefited. And on the Student Simhan, syllabus of class 10th will be updated very soon. So thank you so much. And in next video we will learn about remainder theorem and factor theorem. So have a nice day.